before we start, I'm gonna show you guys how the clips look on the hair. I'm also gonna clip like my hair away from my face. Look how cute. There's also these, but I don't think I'm gonna wear them. They're like these flower clips. They're really cute. Here, I'll just like put it on my hair just to show you. Wait, maybe I will wear these. That's actually really cute. Here's how the clips look. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my face. I'm using my APU Startup Pore Primer. Going in with the primer. This just smoothens out the skin. I have a pimple on top of my lip. I'm breaking out because I think my period's coming, but it's not coming yet. So moving on to foundation, I'm using my usual The Face Shop Ink Lasting Foundation in Natural Beige. This foundation has been really good to me actually. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. And a trick that I use because I don't have a spatula, and like a spatula is like really popular in Korea to apply foundation. I'm just gonna use my tweezer. I know it's like weird, but you basically find the longest tweezer that you have. Just do this. And see, it literally like applies the same way. I am trying to achieve the thinnest layer of foundation, so I'm using that trick today. I want the skin to look more natural. But yeah, what's your guys' favorite newjeans song? But I like just got into newjeans actually, and their style and makeup and hair is just, I love it. So my favorite song, that's really hard. They have really good songs. Like they don't have any bad songs. I think I'm gonna just have to go with the classic, like really popular Hype Boy, just because I really like the dance. But I also like OMG because it's really catchy. Okay, there's this trick that I saw on TikTok. A celebrity makeup artist, she basically said to not use, to cover up a pimple, to not use like the wand. So we are going to do her technique today. Okay, and then she says like, I forgot what she says, but let's just do it. This really worked. I'm also gonna use some setting powder. Also, what I learned is like to set the under eyes so that your mascara like won't smudge. What I've been doing a lot lately is to get like this poreless finish. I just get my translucent powder and I use my beauty blender and I just press it in. So I just basically press it in to my face where my pores are, and literally my pores just disappear. But because I have oily skin, I kid you not, this saves my oily skin. So using the Peripera V shading powder, because it doesn't look like they use bronzer or like even a lot, I suggest using a gray toned bronzer. I'm gonna focus like applying it on the cheekbones. Just feels like it just like gives more of like a youthful look. Also applying on my jawline and then whatever's left on my forehead. Also, I'm going to contour my nose with the same powder just a little bit because they all have really pretty noses, so I'm gonna try to achieve that as well. Because the base makeup is done, I'm gonna take out these and then I'm gonna wear the hat. So here's the hat. It is sent from YESSTYLE. It's like a bunny knitted beanie hat. I was so excited for this hat. I just thought it was super cute. I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the makeup look. Okay, so we are going to move on to the eyes now. Okay, so for the eyes, newjeans isn't really wearing that much makeup, but it's really cute and really like youthful and natural. So I'll be using this Peripera palette. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna use it. I think it's one of their new palettes. It's really cute. And because this palette has pink and brown colors, we're going to stick to pink and brown colors. So the first shade I'm using is called Apricot Shower, and this will be our starting base shade. When applying the eyeshadow, make sure you apply really close to your eyelid, like your lash line, just because their eyeshadow tends to be more, I don't know, like lower, like they don't bring it as high. It also looks like they're wearing like one or two kind of like shades of eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna build up the color just a little bit more. I'm I'm also gonna take it down a little bit. I'm just gonna stick really close to the eyelid lash line area, but I'm gonna blend it upwards just so it's not harsh in like the crease, really. Okay, once you're happy with that and blended all out, I'm going to be using Move Like Me. It's a darker pink, and we're gonna really focus this on the outer lower lash line and then slowly blend it inwards. I'm also gonna apply just a little bit on the lower lash line. So using an angled brush, I'm going to be dipping in the shade Hay Brown. It is the darkest brown shade in the palette. And to get this soft, natural like liner on the lower lash line, you're just going to apply it literally on the lower lash line. This really, I think, helps define the eyes. I think I'm gonna blend more pink. Okay, after that, we are going to move on to eyeliner. So I'm going to be using my Clio Kill liner in brown, and for the eyeliner we are going to be doing a more natural downward eyeliner. Okay, once the eyeliner is on, I'm going to be working on lashes now. So we are going to curl the lashes and apply mascara. So I'm going to be using my Etude House Curl Fix mascara just to apply one layer, because this mascara is waterproof and it'll hold up my lashes. Okay, then using the Long Lash and Volume Hamish mascara. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it over. This is like really good for the bottom lashes actually. Okay, so for lashes, they wear sometimes they wear like just mascara, sometimes they also wear individual lashes. So we are going to be applying individual lashes actually, but before that we are going to tightline the upper lash line. So I'm using my Clio Extreme Gel Pencil eyeliner, and I'm just going to tightline the upper lash line just so when we apply these falsies it'll blend in better. I'm going to be applying a little bit of lash glue in the center, and then using tweezers just dip the lash into it and then start like applying. But I'm gonna wait for the glue to get a little bit tacky because my lashes do kind of like go down and lack a little in volume and curl. I'm just gonna go in with my lash curler and just curl it a little bit more, and then I'm gonna apply like 3 to 4, probably like 3, because I saw they don't really wear that much. So I'm gonna apply one on the outer corners, and you want to get it like on your lash line, just like that. This will take a while, just saying, so if you have time, take your time. It's also not that easy when you first start. So yeah, I'm gonna apply one here, and then one right here, and then I think I'm gonna stop just because 3 is like good enough for like my eye shape. You can go ahead and do more than 3 if you'd like, but yeah, I just really like applying them in the middle kind of. For the inner corners, I'm going to be using Bursting Heart. It's like a pink shimmery shade, and I'm just gonna apply this on the inner corners just because they do have like a pop of color right in the inner corners to like define the aegyo style a little more, just because they all kind of have that. I'm gonna be using my Clio gelpresso pencil, and I'm just gonna kind of shade it in, and that's really it. So yeah, this completes the eyes. Since we did bronzer already, I'm gonna move on to blush. So I'm using my Male blush in Sundown. So I'm just going to like apply it really close to my upper cheek, just because I think it gives more of like a youthful look, just like that, kind of like a really soft effect. And I'm like dabbing the blush just so I have the most color blended out. And then whatever's left over, just gonna apply a little bit on the chin and nose. Okay, for the lips, I'm using the Black Rouge in HGO7. This is my first time trying it, and I swatched it like before I filmed the video. And it looks like it's a lot, but when you blend it out, your lips will look so natural. So no lip liner today. Just going to be simply applying this. It shocked me how similar when you apply this to your lips that like it looks like theirs too. But yeah, I'm gonna start on the inner and just blend it It smells really good too. And you might need like more color, but you're gonna start in the inner lips. It kind of has like that ombre where it's like really dark on the inside and then like light. I think, should I apply it on the cheeks too? Would that be too glossy? I don't know, let's try. I mean, it kind of blended well, actually, surprisingly. Oh my gosh, I forgot to use the brow gel. So this is the Roman Han All Brow Fixer. This is actually one of the best brow gels that I've tried. That's like really affordable. Let me just show you guys really quick. So to have our brows up and in place all day, we're just gonna apply it kind of like in an upward motion. It doesn't even flake actually, but it does keep your brows up all day because my brows really grow like down, or like they just stay down. This actually does help it stay up, even though you can't really tell because I don't have like super full bushy like nice brows. I do recommend this brow gel though. Okay, so last but not least, this product surprised me the most is the Peripera Glory Pure Glory Highlight in Day Glory. Look at that. It looks like a normal highlighter, right? So we're just gonna dip it in with the brush that it came with. We're just gonna apply it. Look, already it looks so nice. Probably my favorite highlighter that I have currently. And it doesn't look cakey at all. Look. I'm also gonna apply it on the nose. This will literally give you the best nose highlight. I'm also gonna apply it on the inner corners just because it's that like bright. Also using a small brush, I'm gonna take it down to like on top of where we applied the YESSTYLE to really brighten up that area. Wow, look at that difference. I literally just discovered my new favorite highlighter. So this completes the look basically. Really natural, really cute. Oh yeah, here's the necklace that I'm wearing. So yeah, this completes the newjeans makeup look. I just want to say thank you so much to YESSTYLE for collabing with me. I hope you enjoyed this makeup and hair kind of a look, the reviews and kind of like swatches of these products as well. If you happen to purchase anything from YESSTYLE, don't forget to use my code jennniferyang at checkout to get some money off your order. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you reached this far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.